Hey, have you ever heard of mixed fractions?
Wait, aren't they the ones that have a whole number and a fraction together?
Exactly. A mixed fraction combines a whole number with a proper fraction, like 2 3/4.
So, what's the difference between a mixed fraction and an improper fraction?
Good question. An improper fraction has a numerator that is greater than or equal to the denominator, like 7/4.
So, we can convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, right?
Yes. For example, 7/4 can be written as 1 3/4, which is a mixed fraction.
But, why do we even use mixed fractions in math?
Mixed fractions are often used in real-life situations, like cooking or measuring, where you might need to combine whole units with parts.
That makes sense. So, they help us understand quantities better.
Exactly. They make it easier to visualize and work with numbers in everyday life.
I see.
Mixed fractions, you say? Isn't it used in math?
We are talking about mixed fractions. And yes, they're used not only in math, but also for cooking. For example, 7/4 can be written as 1 3/4, a mixed fraction. Let's take 2 3/4 as another example. 2 3/4 is a mixed fraction. What is that?
Let me guess. If I know correctly, 2 3/4 is simplified as 11/4, right?
That's right. 2 3/4 is known as 11/4.
I knew it.
Now that is a way to convert mixed fractions to an improper fraction. Now, have you ever heard of an improper fraction?
I think so, but I'm not entirely sure what it is.
I know what are improper fractions. An improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator.
Danimates Koopa is right. An improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator.
You mean, like 5/4 or 7/7?
Oh. I got this one. 5/4 is known as 1 1/4. And 7/7 is known as a whole. Or 1, right?
Danimates Koopa is right again. That's re-simplifying fractions.
Yes. It's important to know about improper fractions, because they often come up in real-life situations, like cooking or construction.
Right.
Exactly. And they also play a significant role in algebra and higher-level math.
Yes. It's important to know about improper fractions, because they often come up in real-life situations, like cooking or construction.
It's fascinating how something so simple can have such a big impact. I'm glad we talked about this. I feel more confident about improper fractions now.